Hello and welcome to our fourth meeting about beautiful, great, fat streams. Today we'll play with some other streams methods that make life much easier for the programmers. Let's create a class, streams for streamsmith. Okay, very interesting name. Let's do it. So public static void main strings args. Let's do just a very simple list of integer let's actually give a value to this. Arrays as list, and now we'll have values right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about my creativity here? List, and let's grab this class. Okay, so we have a simple arrays list of the numbers, and let's play with some stream methods. One of those stream methods is a method called distinct. What it does, actually it's pretty self-explanatory, just distinct methods. So it does not shows, or it does not show this. Yes, okay, my head is not working today. So it shows the only distinct objects. So it will have 7, 6, 5. We'll have it will have this huge or small list. Basically, it will show only between 1 and 7. It will not show second 7th, second 6th, second 5th. And let's play here. No, let's do it after distinct. Okay, so first of all, let's have our list name. Let's put it into the stream. From here, we'll put word distinct. So basically this one filters out the distinct numbers or objects. And let's print. For printing, we'll use forEach. Which will have, let's see, value, lambda expression, system out print, and here let's put value, variable value. Okay, so this forEach will loop this lambda expression, and this lambda expression of course prints out variable value, which will be distinct numbers from our list right here. Let's run it. Okay, yes, so we were right. It gives only distinct numbers. Let's see what other stream methods we can play with. We can limit output, for example. So here limit, which will limit the size of the output. So instead of distinct, let's put limit, and let's limit 3, and let's run it. Should give us only 3. Yes, here 1 2 3 1 2 3. Very interesting method is max. Yeah, we can use. Let's play with the terminal methods. Those are, for example, distinct or limit are not terminal methods. We're using them basically to sort, to massage the stream, the collection itself, but we're not closing it. For example, forEach is a terminal method. Basically, it ends the stream, ends the procedure. One of those, instead of forEach, we can maybe right here we can play with a method called count, which will calculate the number of objects count. So instead of for, just put it here, count. So it's a terminal method. It ends the line, and here we'll need int or long. I'm not sure. Let's put long. Okay, so right here, what it should do, it should give us result 7. Yes. So basically what it did, in all this long list, first it grabbed the distinct numbers, which are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then this terminal method count calculated how many elements are in this list, and the result is 7. And now maybe let's do the final play with method called min or max. Here what we can do, we can get minimum or maximum value inside the from the collection by using streams. We'll have to use first let's create a stream, and then we'll work with the output, the result. So first we'll have to grab ints. Okay, let's grab the name of the collection. Let's put it into string. And now let's grab the minimum value, min. So it's a little bit confusing. It's not very confusing. It's I would say a little bit confusing, because we'll have to pass 2 values. It will compare 2 values, and then it will run through entire collection, and will compare value with value, value with value, and at the end it will return the minimum value of entire list. So right here we have to pass 2 values. Let's call value 1, and the second value, as being very very funny, let's put value number 2, and then it goes lambda expression, So here we're missing one semicolon, and here we're missing one semicolon. Okay. Okay, so we have here this. Okay, and inside the brackets we have to return value 1 compared to value 2, and then semicolon comes here. I'll put some notation here for visual purposes. Okay, so it should return minimum value from our list, and it would return minimum value of our list if we would if we would list that value. We forgot to assign that value to a variable. Okay, so to assign, because these are objects. These are objects. So inside the stream, they're not really integer. They're inside the stream. They're objects. So this stream will return objects. So the type of the objects will be optional. Optional. And then the inside type will be integer. Yeah, I know it's a little bit difficult to comprehend from if you're seeing this first time. You're probably thinking that I'm insane, but that's how streams work. After you get used to all those details, it's not as difficult as it looks from the first time. So okay, so variable name is minimum. This guy will have to bring from util. Okay, now we can print, and to print optional we'll need to use a get method. So min get method, and let's put CISO. Okay, long story short, now it should work. Yes, okay. So the result is 1. The minimum value inside this collection is, of course, 1. And we accomplished this by using streams, by using minimum method called minimum, which we have to implement by using lambda. If we're gonna change this to maximum, we should get maximum value. Let's run it again. Now we should get maximum value, which is 7. Yes. So this how streams work. They have several methods. Distinct. We play it with distinct, limit, and stream, and then count. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next lesson.